June the 21st, the ministry of the interior. But ye are a royal priesthood. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 9. By what right do we become a royal priesthood? By the right of the atonement. Are we prepared to leave ourselves resolutely alone and to launch out into the priestly work of prayer? The continual grubbing on the inside to see whether we are what we ought to be generates a self-centered, morbid type of Christianity, not the robust, simple life of the child of God. Until we get into a right relationship to God, it is a case of hanging on by the skin of our teeth, and we say, "What wonderful victory I have got!" There is nothing indicative of the miracle of redemption in that. Launch out into reckless belief that the redemption is complete, and then bother no more about yourself, but begin to do as Jesus Christ said. Pray for the friend who comes to you at midnight. Pray for the saints. Pray for all men. Pray on the realization that you are only perfect in Christ Jesus, not on this plea, "Oh Lord, I have done my best. Please hear me." How long is it going to take God to free us from the morbid habit of thinking about ourselves? We must get sick unto death of ourselves until there is no longer any surprise at anything God can tell us about ourselves. We cannot touch the depths of meanness in ourselves. There is only one place where we are right, and that is in Christ Jesus. When we are there, we have to pour out for all we are worth in the ministry of the interior.